Okay, back to the Volkswagen. Done a bit of rudimentary repairs here, just weld up this hole, got rid of all this rust. That bit sort of went around there like that till it fell off, and I welded that back on there in one piece. It's probably not supposed to be like that factory, but that's a lot stronger than what it was, and the door doesn't sag now. And that's all welded up there now. I just need to rust prime that, and I've been thinking about putting bed liner underneath this thing, just as a bit of a protection thing, because it's going to get used every day. And now the front, we're doing the nose, making a grill for that. Okay, this is the big hole that somebody's hacked in the front of it, and I'm going to fill this with the nose piece off a bus, like this one. I'm not going to use this one. This one's slightly different size. I didn't know there was different size ones, but there is. So we're gonna, I've made a piece here, and I've just sort of, pretty basic sort of a thing, but I want the grill to slope as the same angle that the original panel did. This is not straight up and down, it actually goes down like that on an angle. So we'll do that now, and I'll just get my welder and everything organised, and we'll weld that into shape, and then I'll shape the grill to suit the hole. And it'll have to be done in two pieces, one up there, one down there, because the grill thing's only about so wide across the front. And I'll leave these holes under here, but I'll make some grills to cover those, just to give it a bit more cooling. Okay. It's a bit windy, so I'll probably cut the sound off, but I've just stuck that up with some clamps, and then we'll put a bit of weld on it. There it is after 8 hours of welding and banging into shape. Still needs a bit of smoothing and hammering out to get some of the little bits where I was in a bit of a hurry to weld it. But that should be fine. It should let in plenty of air into the radiator now, and I just got to make some little grills for underneath. Fix up that hole, those two big holes that they cut in the front there. But the whole lot's a lot stiffer now, and safer for the bonnet. It's not going to come flying up or anything. I don't think it's ever been in a smash at all. It's very, very straight and underneath there. The bonnet's got a bit of a rust and the problem in the front there I've got to straighten out, and the dent in the driver's side there I've got to fix that. But other than that, yep, it's fine.